Start a welding project can be rewarding and a creative endeavor. However, it's important to prioritize safety and develop your skill gradually. Here are step-by-step guide to how to get started with welding project, along with some project ideas and the safety precautions. Before you start welding, it's crucial to understand the basic of welding techniques, equipments, and the safety measures. Consider making a welding class at a local community college or vocational school, or you find many online resources and the tutorials. Acquire the necessary equipment. To start welding, you will need to following these equipments. Choose the appropriate type of welding machine for a welding project, such as MIG, TIG, or stick welding. Protect your eyes and faces from ARC radiation with a welding helmet. Invest in high quality welding gloves to protect your hand from burn and the sparks. Wear a flame resistant jacket, apron, or a shield your body from a spark and the heat. In addition to a helmet, wear welding goggles for additional eye protection. Use these tools to hold your workspaces surely in the places. You may need a grinder for cleaning and preparing your materials, as well as ear protection, safety shoes, and the respiratory for additional safety. Depending on your chosen project, you will need appropriate material like metal stock, electrodes, filler rods, and any specialized tools such as wire, brushes, chipping hammer, and the measuring devices. Here are some beginner-friendly welding projects. Start with a basic flat plate to participate in your welding deeds and the techniques. Build a cart to store and transport your welding equipment. Create sculpture and the decorative pieces from metal. Design a rack or organize display your tools. Construct a backyard fire pit for a gathering. Design and fabricate brackets for shelving and the projects. Safety is a parameter when you start working with welding equipment. Following these safety precautions: wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE). This includes a welding helmet, gloves, jacket, goggles, and the other necessary gears. Welding produces fume and the gases that can be harmful if inhaled. Use exhaust fan or work outdoor if possible. Regularly check your welding machine and safety gears for any defect or the damage. Be prepared to quickly extinguish any fires that may occur. Clean your work area of any flammable substance. Understand the properties of the metal you are welding, as different metal require different techniques. Maintain steady and hand to proper welding angles to achieve strong and the clean welding. In case of minor injuries, having a basic first aid kit nearby. Remember that welding can be dangerous if it's not done properly, so take a time to learn and always prioritize safety. As you gain experience, you can tackle more complex and the creative welding projects in a better way. Understand the potential hazard associated with welding, such as electrical shocks, ARC radiation, burn, and the toxic fume. Familiarize yourself with the safety guidelines and regulations specific to your regions. Research the different welding process, including MIG metal, inert gas, TIG, tungsten inert gas, and the stick welding. Such as has its own set of techniques and the applications. Learn how to weld in various positions, including flat, horizontal, vertical, and the overhead. Different projects may require welding in different positions. Depending on the type of welding choose, you will need a consumable like welding wire, electrodes, filler rods. These materials vary depending on the metals you are working with. Having a dedicated work surface can make a welding project more manageable. It will provide stability and helps to maintain the correct angles. In addition to the safety gears, you may need tools like fire resistance welding curtains or the screen to protect others from the spark and the glares. Depending on your project, you might need tools for cleaning and preparing your materials such as wire brushes, grinders, and the deburring tools. Ensure your welding machine is properly grounding and that you have the clear understanding of electrical connection and the power equipments. Invest in a high quality auto darkening welding helmet. These helmets automatically adjust the darkness of the lens and protect your eyes from the welding ARC intense light. Use a respirator with the appropriate filters. If you are working in a confined space or an area with a poor ventilation, welding fume can be harmful for your lungs. Keep a fire extinguisher related to the electrical fire within easy reach of your working area. Learn how to use it properly. Know what to do in case of accidents such as electrical shocks and the burns. Have clear plans and access to the emergency contact number. If you plan to work with the blueprints or the engineering drawing, learn how to interpret welding symbols which convey important information about the type of the location of the weld. Welding is a skill that improves with the practice and the experience. Continue to learn the refine your techniques by taking advanced classes, seeking guidance from the expert welders. Starting welding project can be a fulfilling hobby or even a career path, but safety and the knowledge are paramount. Always prioritize safety, practice regularly, and don't hesitate to seek guidance or the mentorship for experienced welders as a progress in your welding journey. The spark of creativity. Ignite your imagination with this exciting welding project. Welding is the art of joining material through intense heat and the skillful manipulation has evolved from a merely industrial necessity to cognitive revenue to for artistic expression. If you are a passionate welder looking to take your skills beyond the maiden or a beginner eager to dive into the world of molten metal and sparks, we have got just thing for you. In this video we will explore the medley of introducing welding project that will not only challenging your craftsmanship but also kindly the flame of your creativity. So get up, don't you welding helmet and let spark some inspiration. Step into a realm of artistic welding by creating intricate metal sculpture from majestic animal to abstract form sculpture. Offer limitless possibilities to showcase your imagination. Picture the fusion of gear and pipes transformation into a steampunk-inspired masterpiece of discarded scrap metal, forming a stunning representation of a nature elegance. Let your touch guide your hand as you sculpt metal into a captivating shape that tells stories without the words. Why settle for one of the mill furniture when you can weld your own unique piece? Craft a one-of-a-kind coffee table featuring an industrial cheap metal base or design a furniture chair that combine comfort with aesthetic. Welding gives you the power of turn modern furniture into a functional work of art, leaving your guest in awe of your imagination. Elevate your garden game by crafting metal planters and the trestles, sculpted planters in a various shape and the sizes, and let them house vibrant blooms that contrast beautifully with the rustic metal. Add a touch of elegance to your garden with the gracefully arched trestles. Provide support to climbing plant while serving as an eye-catching focal point. Automotive enthusiast is one of the best idea for your creative ideas. Channel your inner artist by fabricating custom grills, exhaust pipes, and even decorative accent for your old car with colorful wedding when you seamlessly integrate your design into your vehicle, turning heads as you cruise the street in a ride that uniquely yours. Extend your creative touch to the outdoor by crafting stunning fire pits and the chimneys. These functional pieces can be transformed into an artistic masterpiece, adorned with the intricate outcuts that cast mesmerizing showcase as the fire dance within. Imagination sharing stories around the fire pit. You forget with your own hands a true statement of your welding. Pause. One person trashes another person's welding canvas. Explore the world of upcycling by repurposing old item into a new treasure. Transform discarded bicycle part into avant-garde lamps, or breathe life into a non-out kitchen utensils by welding them into a captivating wine gem. Not only will you contribute to the sustainable living, but you also revel in the joy of giving forgotten objects to a new lease of life. Welding is more than just a technical skill, it's a gateway to endless creativity. The projects mentioned above are merely starting points spark to engage your imagination, whether you are drawn to the allure of metal sculptures, the utility of custom furniture, or the functional artistry of fire pit. Welding empowers you to shape a metal and dream alike. So gather your material, stoke the flame of curiosity, and embark on a journey where molten metal transforms into a breathtaking work of art. Happy welding!
maximize the potential for your welding project and add ideas to sell like a hot cake. It's essential to promote your work effectively. Utilize social media platforms, craft fairs, and the online marketplace to showcase your creation and reach your potential buyers. In this video we are going to show you some amazing welding project for a beginner that will inspire you and that will tell you how to reduce your carbon footprints, building a strong online presence and engaging with a potential customer through captivating photographs, informative description, and the regular update will establish your brand and attract your buyers. By embarking on welding project and art ideas from scratch, you can tap into a market that appreciates craftsmanship and the uniqueness, metal wall art, custom furniture, garden sculptures, jewelry, personalized signage, or the home decor item are just a few examples of projects that have the potential to sell exceptionally well. Remember to stay true to your creative vision, adapt to the market trends, and effectively promote your work with a dedication, skills, and a touch of entrepreneurial spirit. Your welding creation can become a hot cake in the market, and you will be able to earn a handsome amount of money. Passion for outdoor spaces, welding, garden sculpture, decorative element can be a successful niche. Sculpture of animals, flowers, and the abstract shapes can enhance the visual appeal of a garden, patio, and even a public spaces. Experimenting with the different metals such as copper, stainless steel, you can add a unique touch to your creation. Additionally, consider crafting functional items like planters, trestles, or a fire pit to cater to the wide range of potential buyers. Beyond the effort